busy, it's gonna be packed. And then there's tons of seats open everywhere.
However, we are not currently losing money in the casino, so that's a very big positive.
So that means that we're winners.
As we're sitting here waiting for the 9 o'clock show, and it's 8 o'clock, we've had a server come by. Her name's Joy. She's working here in the atrium. So if you're ever on the Norwegian Getaway, and Joy comes up and asks if you want a drink, she's a sweetheart. She's very kind, very helpful. And so we're going to give her one of our $20 thank you cards. Do this. If you haven't done this before, get $200 in 20s, make 10 cards out, pre-write them. Just say, you know, thanks for helping our cruise be amazing. We appreciate you very much. And you seal them up, and then you just hand them out when people really, they're great employees. So we're about to give one to Joy here.
Yeah.
But I recommend everyone try it because it's a lot of fun. Like, and it kind of helps bring these people out. They work 7 days a week.
Yeah.
And about 9 months in a row.
Yeah.
So we appreciate them. And it's fun. It's fun to give them a little treat and a little thank you.
Yeah, an extra thing. Thank you so much. That's for you. Thank you.
Holy shoulders up! Oh, you're out, sweetheart. Okay, hang on, sweetheart. Just be right here in between these two gentlemen. Okay. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! One, go! Yes! There you go! Go! Hey!
Did you miss those? I'm sorry.
It was the boat. The boat did it.
Right.
Hold on, dear. Let him reset.
There's not enough time for me to tease you about your...
Oh,
There's the gutter! I saw it!
You hit the gutter before the gutter started.
Wait, you're up.
Yeah, you get 2 things. You're alright.
Alright, guys. The balls are going this way. They're going left. They are totally going left, guys, so you're right. They only give you like a minute?
They gave me, I think it was 30 seconds per throw.
Yes,
It's a
per
5-minute
throw.
game.
Alright.
My God. Bowling, I don't like bowling. Rush bowling. That was a hard throw.
I feel like they might hit more pins when I throw it harder. I was wrong.
Looks like the best trumpets.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Quick.
Well, you don't, I mean, high enough here, you know?
Very nice.
Yeah. Good. Thank you.
These are our friends we've been on the cruise. This is Dutch and Christy from Kentucky.
They serve free alcohol here.
It is. The alcohol's included. It's
I like that.
And we're gonna head to Crab Stable. No, we're not. We lost already in that.
Bad idea. Bad idea. Alright, we got 6 seconds. Woo! couldn't go the morning without having one more juice.
Yes.
I think tomorrow I won't be able to get one. So here it comes. With Samir. Thank you so much. Yay, looks yummy. I can't wait.
Thanks again.
See you later. I'm happy. So, to recap, we are awake now from our night of the glow party and then visiting and having fun with our friends. It was such a great day yesterday. Today is our day at sea before we disembark tomorrow. So we're gonna have some breakfast. We're gonna maybe do a little casino, do a little shopping, and do a little pool time, a little bit of nothing, and a little bit eating probably, and that's probably our day. So, oh yeah, we have pygmies tonight for dinner. That is our agenda. So, not a whole lot going on. Is actually closed. We were gonna head down here and there are no chairs, but the pool is closed, so I think people might end up leaving. I don't know, maybe it's weather or something. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I might sit for a while and then maybe head down to the atrium or something, but this is odd. It's strange. So I guess that the pool is closed and it was actually drained because of the waves. So there are definitely some waves out there. Last night we felt them and I guess it kind of looks like there might be a storm coming, but we'll have to see how that goes. I mean, it's a bit choppy and it's not like it's terrible, but it's probably the choppiest I've seen. And you can notice that when you're walking, it's, you know, you get pushed to the side and all that. So I'm back at the room. I changed and I just wanted to show you guys. There's a few differences here. I'm going to close this door because it's loud. It's a heavy door. There we go. So with our room, we you know, have a nice bed here in our balcony. But what's different with the Escape is that usually there's a plug, like a USB plug, right to your table. You know, on this ship there isn't. So if you want to plug something in, you're going to have to do that over on the counter, international. So there's a couple plugs. So what you want to do is you want to take, you want to get an extension cord and plug it into your multi-plug device, or multi-actual plugs if you don't use USB. So that was interesting. But overall, the room is nice. The room is very similar to the Escape mini suite, I believe. And the bathroom, even the shower, it's roomy, you know? It's roomy. And that shower, you know, it's plenty big. You know? It's not claustrophobic or anything like you think it might be. Now I'm in the shower. See? Lots of room. Lots of room. So that's nice. See? Not too bad. Not too shabby. You have a line to hang up your stuff. And they always give you shower gel and shampoo. But they do not give you conditioner, so if you want conditioner, you must bring that yourself. So anyway, that was just interesting to me about having places to plug stuff in. So if you're like me, I have multiple devices, and so having a power strip or having a multi-USB port is kind of nice. So anyway, I don't know what the day is going to hold, so we were kind of hoping to hang out with our friends by the pool. I went down there. It does look like there is weather coming, so I don't think I'm going to be doing that. I might go up and try to find Brian again and see if he wants to do anything. So we'll see you guys later. Alright, let's check out our whiteboard today. Our whiteboard question is, what port did you like best? And we have a survey. So we have Roatan, Harvey's Cay, Costa Maya, Cozumel, and other. And sometimes we get little notes. So hi from Brazil. Hi guys, how are ya? So at this point, looks like Cozumel is the winner at this point, but we will leave it up for today and see what happens and see what else we got. We also do have a lot of people making little sentences here with our pirate word, which I love. I love seeing people use my pirates. Arr. So that's a lot of fun. Anyway, let's go see if we can find Brian. I think he's still in the casino. I'm going to try to message him on my app here because obviously we don't have service, but see if we can find him. Hey everyone, I did actually find Brian. He was lost in the casino. Go figure. But I did find him, and then we went down to get our luggage bags tag. And it's about noon on the ship here, and tomorrow the latest you can check out is 9:45, and that was not available, but there was the next slot, which is 9:30. So that is when we will be getting off the ship tomorrow. And then I also, right where you can find those luggage tags, they have what we were talking about the other day is the comment cards. So those are right there down by the guest services. So we picked up a few. We're going to write out some cards for our vacation heroes and hand those in. So that is the plan. We might end up getting some chips and guacamole. That wouldn't surprise me. And then I think we're going to try going down for trivia if there's any chairs. We were just down there and it was quite busy, but they're doing cha-cha dancing, I guess, or learning how to cha-cha dance. So that might be why it's busy. So anyway, I don't know if you can see out there, but it is a bit choppy. Yeah, it's a little bit choppy, but it's really not bad. I mean, this is probably the most movement I've felt on a ship, on a region in the Caribbean, and it's not terrible. I mean, it's, I think if you go up higher, you can feel it more. And if you're, down lower, it's a little bit less, but it's not too bad. I mean, I can still walk in the hallway. You're not hitting the sides of the walls or anything. So it's fine. It's just, the pool's closed. There's not a lot going on today. I looked at the schedule. As far as what I would want to do, there's stuff on the schedule, but trivia is probably it. And I was going to do pool music, and so we can't do that. But bites to go. At Ocean Blue, Brian is going to get his lobster roll.
Yes.
Yay! He's been talking about it all week, and this is the last day it's open. We got the lobster roll. That looks pretty good, huh? It's a bit windy. Alright, just give it a try and let's see what you think. There's like a
The wind is very distracting and very much a problem.
Is it worth the money? Good stuff?
Excellent. Excellent.
This is Ocean Blue on the waterfront. And Brian heard about the lobster roll, so we decided to try it.
Hello.
Hi, doing great. Yes, we're excited to be here. Yes. Wow. Look at this.
That's pretty neat.
I like the stars on the ceiling. That's cool.